If you get no service messages in your mobile phone and if you cannot find the network signal, then let us see how to fix the issue. Now let us start with the basics at first. So the first thing what we will do is we will restart our phone. Depending on the model of your Android device, there might be slightly different ways to restart your phone. After restarting the phone, the next thing what we will do is we will toggle the airplane mode on and off. So for that one, I will open the control center. I will enable the airplane mode. Then let us wait for a few seconds, such as 20 to 30 seconds, and then we will disable the airplane mode. The next thing what we will do is we will remove the SIM card from the phone and then we will reinsert the SIM card again. Sometimes the SIM card might not be properly inserted, due to which you will get the network problem in your phone. And the last basic thing what we will do is we will go to the open area and check if you get the network signal. After doing all of these things, also if you don't get the signal, then what we will do is we will go to settings, connections, go to mobile networks. So make sure this data roaming is off if you are in your own country and not in the foreign country. The next thing what we will do is we will go to network operators, and instead of selecting automatically, we will select this option, select manually, and we will let the phone look for all the network operators in your area. So I can see different network operators in my area, so I have to select the one which I use. Now after this, what you have to do is you have to also check if it is the problem with your SIM card. If you have not used your SIM card for a long time, then might be your SIM card is deactivated. So what you do, you remove the SIM card from your phone and you use it in another phone. If you see that in another phone the SIM card works but it does not work in your phone, then the last option for you is to do the factory data reset. So what factory data reset will do is it will remove all of the settings and all of the data from your phone, and it will take your phone back to the factory state when it was new. So remember to back up all the files if you need them. So after that, go to settings, go to general management, go to reset, and then you have to select factory data reset. Now once you do the factory data reset, it will show you all of the things what will happen. All the data will be erased from your phone, including Google account and all of the stuffs here. Also all of the applications that you have installed and all of the Google account that you have added will be removed. So if you want to do the factory data reset, select reset. Now if all of this does not fix the issue, then surely there is a problem with the SIM card. So in that case, you have to replace your old SIM card with a new SIM card. You can request the network operator to provide you the SIM card with the same number. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.